scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Lead ions are tricky, but we can solve this fast. We will find the molar solubility of lead fluoride using the given constant right now. First, we write the balanced dissociation equation for lead fluoride. It breaks into 1 lead ion and 2 fluoride ions. This means the concentration of fluoride is twice the lead concentration. Next, we set up the solubility product expression. Ksp equals the lead concentration times the fluoride concentration squared. Substituting our variables gives us the equation Ksp equals 4 times S cubed. Finally, divide the Ksp value by 4 and take the cube root. This calculation gives 2 times 10 to the negative third power. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to prevent errors. Always trust given values and check steps.